channel. Today we're doing another segment of Cooking with Carlie. And today we're cooking a saucy sausage pasta. Yay! So, the ingredients that you'll need for this recipe are an onion, some plum tomatoes. If it's for 4 people you'll need 2, if it's 2 people 1. You'll need some sausages. These are the vegetarian ones, cool ones from my mum. And then these are the ones that we're using, us non-vegetarians. And you'll also need some pasta. You need 340 grams of pasta, around that, for 4 people. If it's for 2 people, maybe 200. Like so. First step is to cut the onion. So I cut it up in the middle. And then I cut it up at the side, like this.
As long as you don't cut your fingers off, you're doing it right.
Oh, it's in my eyes. Come on.
Don't have your eyes for your hands.
I won't. Oh, that's close. That was close to me chopping off my fingers. I've done this recipe before, everyone, and my mum told me it's the best meal she's had in ages. Quote. I can't. Oh, it gets hard towards the end, don't it? Oh well, right. As long as you chop it up. Whoops. As long as you chop it up, it's all right. Now you've got to make it in small pieces. So now all the onion is cut up, we're going to need to put it in the pan, and we're going to need to put some olive oil in the pan too. Put some in there and turn it on. Wait for that to warm up and then it'll be ready to go in. So while you're cutting the oven up, you'll put the ovens on. What?
While you're cutting the oven up.
Onion! I said onion! While you're cutting the onion up, you can put the ovens on. That's to preheat the oven for, we're putting the bottom oven for the vegetarian sausages and this hot grill for our sausages. So now I'm going to put the onions into the pan. Sizzle! Take it off the heat. Keep stirring it. Put it back on the heat. And you want to cook the onions until they're brown. So, now we've got to put the sausages into the grill. I'm using this little tool to put the sausages in. Now I'll leave that on there. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I'll leave that on there. So what you need to do is you need to cook the sausages until they're brown all over. Put them all the way in. Some corn sausages in the oven. Gas mark 6 for 80 minutes for my mum. So let me get some scissors and put them on the tray. One corn sausage, 2 corn sausage, 3. I give my mum 4 because they're not meat, so they're less filling. So now I've got those corn sausages. I want to put them in. You want to put them in the oven. Oh, shut that over a little bit. You want to put them in the oven on the top shelf for 18 minutes at gas mark 6. Yeah, perfect. And now I'm gonna put some water into the pasta. So now you're going to put some boiling water into the pasta. Okay, so I've just changed hob because it's a lot easier to have them on 2 different hobs. So now I'm going to turn the pasta on. Oops, that was the wrong one. Now you're going to turn it on to a medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. And you're going to keep stirring the pasta. Then I'm going to open the tinned plum tomatoes. If you're weak like me, You're gonna need to use one of these. I was just using that tip because Mum gave it to me, Dad. It happened to me. You need to use a can opener instead. Can opener. And twist it all the way around. Tomatoes open. The other one's been a bit difficult, so for the moment we're just going to pour one pin in. My hand. That's hot. And so I'm going to put them, oh no, one of the sausages are done. One of the sausages are done, so I'm going to put it on the plate. Ready for next step. Put the rest back in the oven. Put that there. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some seasoning to our sauce. Some garlic, some Italian seasoning and some paprika. You can add anything you like, but this is what works for me. I just like to chuck in a bit of it. I don't really know how much I'm adding if I'm honest. I just add loads, and if it tastes nice then that's good. I just add it and then I stir it about the sauce, and then yeah, stir it about, and then you turn it all the way down to low, just so it boils. And don't worry if the onions, some of them are caramelised or burnt, because it just adds to the flavour. Right, we're going to take the sausages out again. The 3 sausages off now, and I'm going to put them back in. Open a window though, because obviously the sausage fat starts burning off. Right. Pasta is now ready, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain the pasta off, and then I'm going to add it to the sauce. See you then. Oh. Now all the sausages are done, I'm draining the pasta off. Right. Oh, that's heavy. Right, let me move these out of the way, because I don't... Right. Now I'm going to pour the pasta into the sauce. That's why you need a big bowl for the sauce, because the pasta is going to go in the bowl. So if you do a bigger bowl for the sauce and a smaller bowl for the pasta, it will work out a lot better. Hi. So I need to put some pasta on the plate. Just like a few spoons for everyone at the moment. Just so you know you get the good amount for everyone.
Hi, babe.
Hi, Mum. No, my mum's vegetarian sausages are done. I'm going to cut them into like little ones like this. I'm going to cut my mum's vegetarian sausages into an inch section each. And I'll do that with the same with the other ones as well. So everyone, I have completed the saucy sausage pasta. Nan, please be quiet. This is the non-vegetarian one completed. You can mix it up if you like. I just plopped it on the top. And then this is the vegetarian one completed. So they're the corn sausages, and these are some ones we got some from butchers. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you try the recipe, let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please, Nan, stop laughing. It's not funny. Can you please subscribe to my channel down below? Can you leave a thumbs up, and can you share the video with family and friends? Also turn on notification bell. Also leave any recipes you want me to try in the comments. Alright, thanks. Just remember remember, just enjoy life and take every moment as it comes. Bye.